Nomkhosi's scenes have finally come to haunt her as Mthembu returns to torment her. Ladies and gentlemen, if you would like to know what is going to happen on Nomkhosi the cast this week, then stay tuned to this video. You guys will remember that Ndlovu told everyone that Khulekani was the true Zamcolo and not Phamandla. Well, on the Monday episode 181, the council learns of the lie about the night Zamcolo was born. And on another scene, teasers tell us that since Kabisile and Lwazi went to a matric dance, we will now find out how did the matric dance go, and Kapsule will find out the truth and the real reason why Lwazi chose to go to the matric dance with her. Which takes us to the Tuesday episode 182. So, on this episode, Kapsule continues acting like a good daughter, but Dombi is into her. Spamali and Mabusi make big plans for their future, and the councilman approaches Ndlovu demanding that he stops his church, but Ndlovu, being Ndlovu, ridicules the councilman's threat, which takes us to the Wednesday episode. So, on the Wednesday episode 183, Nomkhosi continues to pay for her sins. Mthembu comes back to fetch Ntuthu, and Nomkhosi loses her eyesight, which could only mean one thing. Mthembu has come to take what belongs to him, and teasers tell us that while Nomkhosi was suffering, Mthembu interferes and brings someone back home. Then on the Thursday episode 184, Mthembu found out that Ndlovu was behind Khulekani's rebellion. Then Manzimane turns dark and confronts Ndlovu about all of this, telling him that she'll never forgive him and that Mthembu is coming for him. So while Manzimane was dealing with Ndlovu, Kabisile finds out that Lwazi was paid by Nobuntu to go on a matric dance with her, which left her heart torn into a million pieces. Now a Friday episode 185, Nomkhosi casts aside all her pride and kneels down in front of Phamandla, begging for salvation. She goes to a temple in Nomkhosi to beg Phamandla for forgiveness, while Ndlovu and Mamzobe are plotting about who's going to be the next Mkhululi of Amajutera Ngoza. Ndlovu believes that he's the next Mkhululi, but Mamzobe has other ideas. So ladies and gentlemen, that is all you can expect on Nomkhosi the cast this week. So do comment in the comment section, share your thoughts and opinions with regard to this topic, and if you enjoyed content on this video, please do like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. And all of that being said, this is the end of this video. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.